Cybersecurity is a critical issue for all organizations, whether large or small, public or private, irrespective of industry or sector. All organizations have valuable information, whether confidential business information, personal information of customers, or intellectual property and trade secrets. And that makes them a target. Information today is bought and sold on the black market, known as the dark web. It can be stolen and encrypted and then sold back to the owner through a ransom demand. Stolen or leaked information also creates the risk of identity theft, which can lead to regulatory investigations and litigation risk. And all organizations are at risk from the adverse publicity and reputational harm that can result from cybersecurity breaches. Clients are increasingly aware of cyber risk as an enterprise-wide risk management issue. But they're struggling with the question of how much cybersecurity is enough cybersecurity, and what exactly is necessary to put the organization in a defensible position. The answer depends on many factors, including a growing array of laws, regulations, industry-specific guidance documents, and international standards. It also requires dedicated cybersecurity resources and specialized expertise that for most organizations is not available internally. Organizations need to know exactly what information they have and how and where it is stored. It's essential to have a documented cyber risk management strategy and an incident response plan specifically tailored to data breaches. Not just a plan on paper, but a plan that is tested and up to date and that sets out all of the accountabilities and response protocols. In the event of a data breach, you need a fully constituted team with the required expertise in forensics, security, legal and regulatory, and public relations and communications. There's a perception that cyber attacks are perpetrated by hackers in China or Eastern Europe. But typically, the problem is closer to home. The weakest link in an organization is usually people and not technology, whether rogue employees or just careless ones who inadvertently fail to protect company information. Training and education is therefore critical. Conducting regular simulations of data breaches and getting the right external advice on responding to them are also essential. BLG has one of the largest and most experienced cybersecurity and cyber risk management teams in Canada. We adopt a holistic approach to cyber risk management and provide guidance to our clients from before an incident occurs all the way through to any litigation or regulatory proceedings that may ensue. We work with leading cyber insurers and serve as breach coaches to coordinate the teams responding to data breaches in order to comply with legal and regulatory requirements, preserve evidence, and protect lawyer-client privilege. We also work with leading forensic investigators to manage complex investigations and provide advice on reporting obligations to regulators and law enforcement. That's especially important with the new mandatory breach notification requirements coming into effect in Canada. BLG is the firm organizations rely on to manage cybersecurity issues and assist them with both preventative and remedial strategies. We're proud to work with so many leading organizations to ensure that cybersecurity issues are properly managed and addressed.